What's up, Goddess Gang? Today we are back with another video, and this one is actually pretty special. As you guys can see from the footage, I'm actually going to start it back from the beginning. This was these were the entries for the theme 4 of the Goddess Gang Now Art Challenge. And I wanted to get on here and finally announce the winners to you guys. As you know, we did have the actual panel. Let me plug my laptop up, y'all. We had the panel and it went very well. We only had 4 participants, including myself, Tips by Tony, Chaotic Nails, and Dream Nails by Nikki. So the final scores, I got my final score, but it included, it was I had 2 entries, I think. Oh, yes. And then I believe that Dream Nails by Nikki had 2 entries. Chaotic Nails had 1 entry, and which I really enjoyed her entry. It was so cool. And then Tips by Tony had 1 entry. So we're not going to count my score because I was on the panel. And I participated and I submitted 2 entries. So mine doesn't count. So luckily, everyone who participated actually wins a prize. First place prize goes to Chaotic Nails. She ended up with an averaged score of 9.38. And then was Tips by Tony. She had a 9.16. And then Dream Nails by Nikki. And I can't even say, maybe it was because she had 2 submissions. Sometimes that does end up making your score go down, believe it or not, if you don't score super high on them both. But also, we saw some amazing nail art by Chaotic Nails. We had never seen any, like, I mean, she really impressed us and we were so captivated by that. And then also, um, Tips by Tony, she has some really cool futuristic fantasy nail art. So she definitely came in second place, which she deserved that. So congratulations to our winners. If you have not already submitted a prize claimant form, I do need you to do that in order to claim your prize. You can go to www.scorpiongoddessnails.blog and it's right on the main page. But I wanted to go ahead and leave you guys with that. Dream Nails by Nikki, I have already sent her one of her prizes out. She has won numerous times. We are going to be introducing a Goddess Gang Prize Winners Hall of Fame. So if you are a prize winner at Goddess Gang, you're actually going to have your beautiful little avatar face, whatever you decide, we'll talk about that later, on display on our website. So thank you guys so much for making this so enjoyable and memorable. When we come back with the next featured theme, which will be very soon, it will not be theme 5, we'll have a special edition theme. I'm going to break down more of the details of how everything will work. We have some improvements and some evolution. So thank you guys so much, and we love you guys so much. Stay tuned for the Zombie Now Art Challenge and everything that's yet to come. Until next time. And when I said the art challenge, Zombie Now Art Challenge, I mean the panel, the winners, because oh my gosh, and you guys, it is going to be so exciting. You cannot even imagine. So I'll see you guys there. Love you guys so much. Thank you for being here. Until next time, I'll y'all. Peace.
Something I will always feel.